Hey guys, I'm back.
Yep, she's back from her union mandated break. All right, looking good. Looking good. What you think so far?
Cut the cameras. I haven't done anything.
You hadn't done anything?
No.
Why not?
Cut the camera.
Were you on break?
Cut the camera.
I think she was on break. We're gonna cut the camera, guys. Finally got it on after a little bit of fighting. Now just to put the screws in. I'm gonna check on Mick from Emily NYC. All right, looking good. Almost looking like a brand new car, right off the factory floor. Right?
Sure.
She's pretty happy. Okay. All right, we've gone down the rabbit hole. We're chasing dirt. Ain't that right, Mick?
Right.
And the only way to really get all the dirt is to take panels off. So this is what we have her stripped down to. When I pull this out, what do you say? You say, what do you say people could hide in here?
Sick drugs.
Yeah, so this is where we're at now. So before you do this, just use the vacuum. And now you could vacuum up all the stuff and then wipe it down. And now you look, now you could get back down there like what you really wanted to. Look. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Guys, what do you think? How you think she did? So this is the back. All done. All cleaned up. Got her little... get that. Got her little emergency pack. What you need emergency pack for, Mick?
Are you filming me?
Yes, of course.
Oh my gosh. I I don't know if it breaks down.
You got it. Jumper cables, all that kind of stuff. So if you ever need a jump, okay?
Okay.
But call me first.
Okay.
Looks pretty good. All right, guys, we got done to the end of Project Chad day 3, but this is still the same day. I just had to change my shirt because it was hot. What you think?
They're pretty good.
Yeah, we got to a certain point. We got probably gonna have to get a different valve cover because that one is cracked and it's the plastic one. So something simple, because this is the same engine that's like in the Pathfinder, the Frontier, the older Tacomas. So they'll have that in stock. Again, stay tuned for, it's hot. Stay tuned for video number 2 coming in the Chad series. Until the next time, peace.